Gretchen Ho.
So, Gretch, what can you say about Ateneo's recent struggles at bakit sa tingin mo ganun ang kinakalabasan ng mga nakaraan nating laban?
Siyempre, masakit sa amin na natalo kami ng sunod-sunod. Tapos, coming from a good record nung first round, siguro nalungkot din kami and medyo nagulat din kami na ganun yung naging performance namin. And I think yung nangyari sa amin is sa games, nadadown kami kaagad. And lalo na kapag sunod-sunod yung errors, nahirapan kami mag-switch to yung kami sa amin naman yung momentum. So, I think it's really a test of character for us na parang tumibay pa yung loob namin sa court.
So, Gretch, having said that, at this point of the season, what do you think is the team's morale and how do you think are we planning to get out of this losing streak?
I think for this game, the team is really raring to show the people who the Ateneo team really is, and we really want to get back into our normal game. And yun nga, sabi ko nga, it's a test of character for us kasi feel ko yun lang naman talaga yung kailangan namin i-work on, yung character namin. So, this is just a challenge for us and expect us to do way better today.
Alright, Gretch. Thank you so much. Your fans are all behind you and the entire team. Tsaka good luck sa game niya mamaya. Back to you guys.